Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how AI can be an absolute game changer for digital marketers like you and me. With the marketing landscape evolving so rapidly, it's getting harder than ever to keep up. Am I right? We're often drowning trying to handle all our tasks while still delivering results. Well, brace yourself because what I'm about to share will blow your mind. AI tools can automate many of our most tedious marketing responsibilities, freeing us up to focus on more important things. Intrigued? Keep watching because I'm going to reveal the top 5 AI tools you need to add to your stack today. These will transform your marketing efforts while giving you your time back. Let's dive in. Alright, first up on our list, automated content creation. Tools like Jasper and Content Engine use artificial intelligence to generate high-quality, personalized content at scale. Whether you need blog posts, white papers, social captions, or more, AI can churn them out for you in seconds. Imagine never struggling to come up with ideas or stay on top of content demands ever again. Next up, predictive analytics. This is one of my favorites. Tools like Preview and Cognitive analyze piles of data to surface key insights, trends, and even predict future customer behavior. You'll stay ahead of industry changes while gaining data to inform smarter marketing decisions. Tap into the knowledge of AI so you can optimize your strategies. Moving on to chatbots. These use natural language processing to instantly engage customers and website visitors 24/7. No matter what time of day, they can answer questions and offer support. Think about the manpower that frees up while also boosting engagement. Chatbots are a must-have. Now, onto AI for social media management. Tools like Agorapulse and Socito can automate scheduling, analyze ideal posting times, and even suggest content to share based on audience interests. These tools are like having a marketing assistant to handle all your social media busy work for you. You'll save hours each week while improving results. And finally, we have AI for digital advertising. Solutions like Adobe Sensei utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to optimize your ad campaigns. They can A/B test in real time, target custom audiences, and maximize conversions. Your ads will continuously improve while being more efficient. So there you have my top 5 picks for AI marketing tools that are complete game changers. If you aren't using these yet, you're missing out on all the ways AI can transform your efforts. Let me know in the comments which of these tools excites you the most. And be sure to check the video description for links to try them out. AI is the future of marketing. Don't get left behind while competitors pass you by. Boost productivity and results leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you next time.